For years, Tesla owners have voiced their opinions on everything from software features to interior finishes. Now, it appears Tesla is listening, rolling out two significant hardware updates that directly address common pain points and elevate the in-car experience. This isn't just about minor tweaks, it's about a global standardization of premium interiors and a wireless charging solution that finally works as advertised. First up, let's talk about the Model Y. What started as interior upgrades in the Chinese market, like the sleek black headliner and a larger central display, are now becoming the global standard across all Model Y variants. This means every new Model Y, regardless of trim, will now come equipped with a more premium, cohesive cabin aesthetic. The previous 15.4-inch screen is out, replaced by a more expansive 16-inch display. This isn't just about size, it boasts a higher 2560 by 1440 resolution and noticeably thinner bezels, offering a sharper, more immersive interface for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. The all-black headliner completes the look, providing a cleaner, more put-together feel that many owners have been requesting. This move signals Tesla's commitment to standardizing a more refined interior experience across its best-selling SUV. It's a direct response to feedback, ensuring that the Model Y's cabin matches the premium expectations of its price point. For new buyers, it means a more luxurious and technologically advanced interior right off the bat, without having to wait for regional updates or specific trim levels. But the interior upgrades don't stop there. Tesla is also tackling a persistent frustration for many electric vehicle owners: wireless charging for phones. Previous wireless charging pads in Teslas, like in many other EVs, often suffered from two main issues: slow charging speeds and significant phone overheating. It was a convenience feature that sometimes felt more like a compromise. Now, Tesla is preparing a substantial upgrade across its entire vehicle lineup. The new wireless charging system is reportedly boosting power output from a modest 15 watts to a much more robust 50 watts. This alone is a game-changer for charging speed, bringing it closer to what many fast-charging wall adapters offer. But the real innovation lies in the introduction of active cooling. This upgraded pad will feature integrated fans underneath the charging surface, designed to direct airflow towards the phone. This active cooling mechanism is crucial. It prevents devices from overheating during high-power charging, which not only protects your phone's battery health, but also ensures consistent, fast charging performance. This actively cooled 50-watt wireless charger was first introduced in the Model Y-L variant and is now expected to roll out to the rest of the Model 3 and Model Y lineup. It's a practical solution to a widespread problem, enhancing convenience and reliability for everyday use. Imagine placing your phone on the pad and actually seeing it charge quickly without it becoming a miniature hot plate. This small but significant hardware improvement underscores Tesla's ongoing effort to refine the user experience, addressing real-world issues with thoughtful engineering. These updates, from the standardized premium interior of the Model Y to the actively cooled high-power wireless charger, highlight Tesla's continuous evolution. They demonstrate a responsiveness to customer feedback and a dedication to enhancing both the luxury and functionality of their vehicles. It's about making the daily ownership experience smoother, more comfortable, and more technologically advanced. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, understand the real impact of these tech shifts, and join a community that's always in the know about the future of automotive, then hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications is your next move.